Hey guys, so for today's video, we are gonna do a couple different fall hairstyles. It is finally feeling like fall in Northwest Florida. It is 71 out right now, which is chilly. Might not be chilly where you're at, but that's chilly for here. So I'm excited to do some fall hairstyles since it's feeling like fall. We're getting in the mood. So let's go ahead and get started. So for this first hairstyle, I actually posted this on my YouTube shorts. I post a YouTube short like once a week. I try to post those on like Wednesdays or Thursdays. They're just super quick tutorials that I post on here. So I'm gonna show you one from my short, and this is like a half up hairstyle. It is so easy and so cute.
All right, so all you want to do for this one is just put your hair half up, half down. So just take a section of hair in the middle of your head, tie it off with a clear elastic. So now you want to create an opening right above your hair elastic. So just pull your hair apart with your fingers, and you're going to take the ends of your ponytail, flip them up through that hole, and then just pull them down through it. So make sure all of your hair is pulled through it, and then just tighten it to secure it. Now reach through that hole and grab that ponytail and just pull it back up to create a little bun like you're seeing here. Just stretch that bun apart. You don't want to pull out too much because then it'll be really loose. But it'll look like this. Pull out the sides, and then that is it. It's a super cute little bun. It's nice and secure. You can add bobby pins if you want, but mine's secure. So now we're going to do another half up hairstyle. Take a section of hair in the middle of your head, tie it with a clear elastic. You want to make sure you have enough room for hair on each side of your head, because you're going to grab a section from each side of your head and just tie it with the clear elastic right above that section. So with that second section, it gives us a nice little gap that we can put our fingers between. So I'm sticking my fingers through there, and I'm twisting my hair over that first ponytail. So it creates a little loop that I can just pull that first ponytail up through. So make sure you're grabbing the full ponytail and pulling it through. And then you just want to make sure that you tighten the bottom ponytail. And then if you don't tighten the top ponytail, it's going to look something like this. So make sure you also tighten the top ponytail, and then it'll look like this. Super cute. And now for hairstyle number 3, you want to put your hair into a ponytail, and then you want to take a scarf. I've had this forever, no idea where it came from. And you want to pull out your hair tie. That way you can just pull that scarf through. Now I divided my hair into 2 sections, and then I just put a scarf with each section. Now you want to take each section and twist it away from your face. So each section is going to go away from your face. Then you want to take that outside section, the section farthest from your head, cross it over that inside section. And then just give each section another twist away from your face. And then take that outside section, cross it over that inside section, give them both a nice little twist away from your face. Take that outside section, cross it over the inside section, and you do this all the way down. And then you just want to tie it off with a clear elastic, and this is a rope braid. So now we're just going to pancake it. So we're going to loosen it up a little bit by pinching and pulling. Make sure you don't pull too much. And then you want to take your rope braid and just wrap it around the front to the back. Wrap it all the way around, tuck the ends up underneath your bun. And then you want to bobby pin your hair to your head. And then just pinch and pull your sections at the top. And so this is a fun and cute, trendy hairstyle. You can switch it up with different scarves. I love that you can wear this hairstyle out and no one else will have this hairstyle. You will stand out from the crowd, so definitely give it a try.
So those are the 3 hairstyles I have for you today. I will definitely do a part 2 to this series because I feel like I have so many cute ones in mind. Let me know what other kind of videos you want to see. I did see a video where someone asked to do like wedding makeup, bridesmaid makeup, which I can definitely do. I did my sister-in-law's wedding makeup and it turned out so pretty, but I'm always open to suggestions. I love to hear what you guys want to see, what you guys want to watch. So let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!